What's going on, everybody? This is Hunter. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. As you can see, show season is back, baby. And today we are at the Cleveland RV show. And this is a model that came extremely recommended from you guys a number of months ago. And I haven't been able to put my hands on it, but this is going to be that new Walkabout here by Keystone. So super stoked to show you guys. This is going to be kind of a new segment for them getting into it. And as you can see, this thing looks absolutely crazy. They are going to be having that sleek kind of front end that's industrial looking, the huge drop frame here up front to give you a lot of space. But they're also doing something that few people are doing, you know, with that metal exterior. So it's going to be pretty interesting to see how that plays out and to see what you guys think. We're probably going to spend about 10 to 12 minutes or so, maybe a little hair longer, who knows, we'll see how it goes, you know, and get things going. But appreciate you guys getting through the winter here with me. Now that we are through it and its show season has begun, drop some comments with whatever models you want to see, types you want to see, floor plan designs you want to see, or whatever, because I'm going to be in, you know, Tampa next week and Cleveland today, shows all across the country for the next 2 months. But today's is the 2026 Walkabout 26MAX, and let's get into it, because man, when I walked in, I'll tell you what, I thought this thing looked pretty darn slick. The decor is different than anything I have seen. You got kind of the, I don't know what else to call it. It's kind of industrial with class, baby. I mean, look at that. You have the Keystone logo basically there for the roller doors. You have the Atrium style windows right here. As far as the construction is concerned, that aluminum siding is really nice. You know, Brinkley does that kind of stuff, and I'm a big fan, you know, of that, obviously. But they're also using an updated, beefed up suspension system as well, which I'll show you here in a little bit. But as you can see, you got kind of the European-esque style windows where the blinds are put into the sidewall, so that way, you know, if you bring some kids, since this is a bunk model, you don't have to worry about them clanging and banging and ripping out a curtain or anything like that. If they got some buddies coming over, this is also a good place to sit down and sleep. But man, talk about a breeze. And I was just talking with one of the reps about this, like I did months ago when it first came out. The amount of R&D that they did on this to make sure that it worked out seems to be pretty crazy. But I mean, you have a window in the slide, but if you don't like the warmth that it brings, because inevitably I'm sure that it will, you do have the Dracula shade, you know, skirting up onto the side. Now, as far as the floor plan is concerned, you know, pretty basic little setup where you have an open-ended floor plan with your bunks over there, but they're going to be double over double, and it looks like the bunk also folds up into itself. They're also using a new type of countertop. So, you know, babe, if you're watching, I love you. But the crazy part about this countertop, I forget what he called it. I'll put that down in the description if I can find it. But you can actually put a cast iron skillet here, you know, on top. And I don't know if this thing is in full production, if it's sitting on lots yet, you know, or not. But I'll probably put some information, you know, as I get it. Your control panel is right on over here. And as you can see, anytime you see that, it means that you're going to have some, pick the wrong one, you're going to get some dimmers, so you can set the mood right with honey buns, have yourself a good time. You got the power management switch right there, so you're going to have, you know, an inverter, 440 watts of solar panel there up top, and a Connex TV that looks like it is, I can't tell where the plug-in is, so I don't know if it's a 12 volt or not, but, you know, play your Netflix, you know, and all of that. Now, for the kitchen aspect, you're going to get some pretty good storage as well. Floors are going to be full-on composite along with the sidewall. So, you know, theoretically, the advantage of that is it's a little bit lighter. But also, if you were to get water into it, composite doesn't absorb, you know, any water. So you should be better in the case if you're a, you know, if you're a dirty bird, you're not doing the maintenance, or if you have an you should be all right there. Kind of like this tile. Kind of reminds me of like Beetlejuice, you know. You're going to have the stainless steel undermounted bowl with the high-rise faucet, hitting those dishes from all angles, including that one and that one, little waterfall action. And then you have the two top burner to whip up all the fixings right there. So I love to see that. No oven here in this model, but you do have the air fryer convection right there, as well as your fuse box. 12 volt system right here for the refrigerator. So it looks like it's going to be, I think this one's the 12 foot. 10.7 foot. Let's see if I can read. I don't have glasses on right now. Maybe you can tell. Yeah, 10.7 cubic foot. But I like how it's got kind of the, I think fancy people call it like French doors. I think that's what it is. I can hear people rumbling in from the show. I'm so juiced up to be here, and I'm thankful for you guys because, man, what an insane job to have. And every time I get to a no-show season, you know, people stop you and say they love your videos. My wife's coming out next weekend. I'm just so grateful to be in the position that I'm in. That, man, just think about it. 5 years ago, I was making 100 phone calls a day, just, you know, slaving away, man, just selling some RVs and doing the best. And now look where I get the opportunity to come talk about RVs for the next 2 months. Your bathroom, pretty basic little setup here. You do have the friendly neighbor window, so you know you can sit down, you know, do your thing, and you know, hey Tom, how are you? Just taking a load off. You have the porcelain toilets, Garunski, and then you have a bathroom. Now let's check. This looks like it might be a little tight. You know, I'm 6 foot, 300 and something pounds. Don't even want to mention it. I gained, I got almost down to 290 last year, and now I got on the scale and I was like 234 pounds again. But you know, the 4-year-old, God bless her, I love her, but you know, 4-year-olds don't lie. The bowling gun, baby. We were at the beach during Florida, and she said that, unfortunately, that, you know, she wanted me to lose weight. She said that I was a fat dad, and that sticks with the man right there. So since that moment, I am down 10 pounds in the last week. So I was 239, now I'm like 230. But man, that was an eye opener. Didn't mean to spiel on you. This also flips up here too. But needless to say, weight's been a struggle my entire life, and this will be the time that I do it. Because when the daughter calls you out and says that she wants you to be basically healthier, you got to take that pretty damn seriously. Because that's heart-wrenching stuff. So right there, you got your Chill Cube 18K AC as well. So it's the Furrion. It's going to be a non-ducted AC because you do have a second one right up here. So a lot of good AC power here coming out of the old Walkabout, baby. And again, I just want to point out that wall. How sick is that? Pretty darn cool. Storage here up underneath. And then you also see your queen bed with areas both left and right to hang out, along with windows and the front cap and an emergency exit. So pull, push, and plop. You can get out in a hurry. And then you see a little bit of hanging room on both sides as well. But I think that about knocks it out quick enough. I'm going to do just a quick little run here on the outside. But again, it's the 2026 Walkabout 26MAX. I'll try to put some information on it down in the description. But if you don't mind, if you guys have made it this far, hit that like and subscribe button. Getting close to that 100,000 mark. Getting close to 500,000 on Facebook, which is pretty crazy. So 3-year structural warranty here on this thing. So one of the better warranties in the industry. And then you see you also have your power tongue jack here as well with your two, looks like 30-pound propane bottles for you. 2 batteries as well. Looks like you got a place to put a couple more. And I don't think I've seen that before. You got your disconnects right there. That's interesting. I don't know if it's because I haven't talked about RVs in a while or if I'm running kind of dumb, but I don't know what that is, to be honest with you. Get yourself a little magnetic latch there, so none of those, you know, chintzy little plastic ones that we all know, you know, we're drinking a couple and, you know, breaking. You got the Tough Flex flooring here, similar to a toy hauler. And then you have, you know, your inverter and a docking station that I'll get over to here in just a moment. And look at that. How cool is that? Little alarm system, baby. The frameless windows here as well. You also have your composite steps on both of them. And then you have this little pull-out tray. Perfect place to put a TV, you know, or get some, heck, do whatever you want. You can play that game where all those poles drop, try to catch them. It's kind of what that reminds me of. Then you got a place where you could, you know, I don't know what you're going to do with it, to be honest with you. But you have the knobbier tires here too as well. And I like how Keystone's incorporating their logo on those. That's pretty nifty. Let's see here if I can show you the suspension here. What's up, brother? Good. So that's going to be your suspension. As you can see, you got those big old coils right there. Kind of reminds me of the Beast Mode suspension, although it's a hair different, obviously, because it's not independent necessarily right there from what I'm seeing. But it'd be pretty cool to read up a little bit about that. You got your Key TV, which is going to connect you to all the TVs here. You know, your outlet, your spray ports, all that good stuff. You're also going to get a 12-volt awning. So it's a 3000 series awning. So that way you can, you know, get the awning in and out even when you lose power, as long as you got a battery, something of that nature. You got a real bumper with a place to put the old stinky slinky. And then you got the knobbier set of tires right here as well. And this is going to be, you know, your storage hatch for when you got to put in all your daughter's like Bluey scooters and all your kids' baseball stuff, you know, and all that. So right here is going to be backup camera prep and the Lippert on-the-go ladder prep. So I'm assuming this is going to be a fully walkable roof here for you. You got your black tank, and then your gray tank, and then your back end of your Suburban on-demand hot water heater. It doesn't look like I'm actually going to be able to get to that front bay there for you. But like I said, I'll try to put some more information on that when I get it. But super stoked to be down here at Cleveland. If you guys see me at here or Tampa, make sure to put the guns up, suns up, baby. Let's have a little bit of fun. Show season is back, baby. 2026 Walkabout 26MAX. My name is Hunter. Have a great day. See ya. Rumple-dum, rumple-dumple-dum, rumple-stilt-skin, rumple-dumple-dum, ba-dum-bum-bum-bum, ba-da-bum-bum-bum, ba-da-bum-bum-bum-bum-bum-bum-bum-bum.